Hello everybody, hope we are doing well today. I'm doing something extraordinary today because I'm tired of seeing these mistakes happening over and again. Today we are going to talk about the accounting equation. Today I had to take that extra step. I don't know if this is visible enough to you. I don't know, I'm trying to enlarge it. I don't know if it is visible enough to you, but I had to go ahead and write this by myself. We are going to understand and we are going to resolve issues around the journal entries or journal vouchers, what we normally call the JVs when we abbreviate. So we are going to talk about this and we are going to solve this once and for all. I've seen one problem. All the time you find errors in journal entries, they are originating from this point. They are all coming from this point, not knowing which account to credit or debit. And let me tell you, there are errors you will never find. If you make an error in entry, what you call an error of original entry, once an information is wrongly entered in the system, you may not capture this error. Even the trial balance may not tell you. Last time I told you about errors of omission, commission, errors of posting, errors of original entry, errors of principal, and I've just seen that this keeps happening all the time. I look at reports, all the time I audit, all the time I review financials, I keep finding these errors. So today I took a pen, a piece of paper, and a marker highlighter to do this physically by myself, to write this, to discuss it for once and for all. You'll find this video always. So let's start by understanding the accounting equation. We have what we call assets. These are things we own. And you have what we call liabilities. These are things we owe. And you have what we call equity. This is what we put in as our capital or contribution towards the business. Now, there are things you should know. My focus here is on the journal entries and is on journal vouchers, JVs, to know when to debit and when to credit. Let's start by understanding how do these accounts behave. I have a simple formula for you here. I don't know if you are able to see it clearly. Let me try to zoom in. Zoom out. All right. I have a simple formula for you here. I said ADE plus CRL minus. Here, what do I mean? ADE, I mean assets, I mean drawings or distribution, then I mean expenses. Then, when I said CRL minus, C I meant capital, R I meant